All right. Where we, what's the name of this trail?
This trail? A Spearhead Trail, but I don't know what the name of this area on this part is.
Haysi, Virginia.
Yeah, Haysi, Virginia.
We've got the lumber crew out here today.
What you doing, Marty? Yeah, is it Ridgeview Trail? Ridgeview Trail? Okay.
Yeah. Riding around too.
Yep. It might be just a touch high.
Like
tilt it down?
Yeah. The last guy that made the turn, nobody behind them wait. If we don't kind of play, you know, if we don't spray it again, have to come
We got about 50 miles of riding to do.
We didn't lose breath, stay with me.
We're going Dudley?
I don't know.
Joe, you been over? Have they been there?
I've been over there before, but I ain't been.
Do you want to go up hill we did, and we can still go towards Grundy from that direction?
We'll have to
Don't
keep
matter,
track.
depends on how much my muscle left me. I got to take one muscle, so.
We'll go up that hill, Dan, we were talking about. You know, the sand hill, the gravel rock hill.
All right, we've had enough coffee talk today. Let's go.
Yeah.